Welcome to AZ Solutions, sectioning a PowerPoint presentation. If you find yourself in a situation where you have lots and lots of slides in a PowerPoint presentation and it's being made your job to go back to that PowerPoint and modify and change some of the aspects, maybe add a few slides, it's always a little bit difficult finding that exact spot where you need to go to insert the slides. If you create sections, sections are for you only as the person constructing the PowerPoint presentation. The clients, the viewers of the PowerPoint presentation at the other end will not be seeing the sections that we're about to create. Sections have been already created in this example. What I'm going to show you is how to remove them and how to add them again. So section here, which says sections for tips, if we right mouse click, it will give you the opportunity here to remove the section. When you select remove, it will then be made part of the sections above. If you wish to then insert a section again, it's a right mouse click in between the slides you would like and add a section. You can then name your section. If you change your mind, you made a spelling, forgot to do uppercase in the spelling and you wanted to keep it neat, it's up to you. You could right mouse click on the actual section and then the rename section option will come up for you. Some other benefits of working with sections is that you can collapse these sections just by pressing the little triangle where it says introduction here, just at the beginning. It will collapse just that section and it will tell you how many slides make up that section. I'll do the same for the next section. And now it tells me that there are 3 slides in that one there. What you'll also find that is great for the sections is that you can move them around. So if I click on sections here and I can change the order, dragging up, all of those slides have now been repositioned, as opposed to select one slide, select another, and then click and drag. Imagine you've got 10, 20, 50 sections. It's pretty painful to use that dragging action, whereas once they are grouped, it's very quick, very easy. It's also easy to navigate someone to say, go to the section I called section tips and add 3 more slides to there. That is a lot easier than telling people to go to the one with the picture about blah, 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 the one that's got 3 bullet points that say, and so forth. If you right mouse click on a section, you're able to expand them all rather than doing them one at a time as I showed you earlier. Right mouse click again and you can collapse all. If there is a particular section and you decide, forget it, this section can be blended in with the one above, you can choose to remove the section or remove the section and the slides as well. Maybe somebody else has come along and created sections, but they're all in the wrong place. You feel that it's going to be a lot quicker if you get rid of all the sections and then start again and create the sections as you would like them. Let's try this. Remove all sections. They are all now removed. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions, sectioning a PowerPoint presentation.